Hello, Mr. Hayes. Hi, Stacy. Hi, Spencer. Hi, Eva. So for my PAES Lab project, I've decided to empty the dishwasher. I know that's unthinkable for me because my mom forces me to do it. But I've decided to do the unthinkable. I volunteered.
Way to go, Ryan.
Yes, way to go. So I start with these. And I put these plates back here. You know, we mostly put the plates down there.
No.
And I usually start with these. My brother also empties the dishwasher. And he starts with the silverware first. We even put some cups down there. I know this is like one of the jobs I get in PAES Lab, except I don't have to write it down, and I don't have to like give myself a rating on it, and I don't even have to get a job card. I mean, that's pretty cool. You know, some people like do this do something like this in restaurants and stuff. So, Mr. Hayes, how you been? I've been like stuck at home with cabin fever.
That's not where that goes. You know where the stuff goes, Ryan.
Right. Ooh. Me and Jordan have been emptying the dishwasher since we were old enough. Now take my brother. He usually does it without complaint. But for me, I do a lot of complaining.
That's true.
I say I want to destroy dishwashers, and I want to eliminate it.
You just need to learn from your brother.
Yeah. That's what my mom says.
I think Mr. Hayes gets the idea, so we're going to sign off.
Hey, wait. Okay, then I just do the cups, and I do the silverware, and that's it. It's all done. Finito.